Yo, it's raining outside, and on these rainy days, I think back to the days when it was okay, when you were here, but then you had to go and disappear. Where are you now? I hope you're happy now, but you fucking left me. That shit was like back in elementary, but it wasn't that long ago, but it seems like so fucking long ago when you let me go and I lost control. Now I got a lot much more older, and I got a lot more fucking colder. As I got older, I got a chip on my shoulder, and it's because of you. So don't get this shit confused, bitch, look what you do. When you broke my heart, you shit that shit was smart, but you were just retarded. You were a smart ass back then, but that was back then. So are you still talking crap then while I'm rapping the facts then? I don't give a fuck, cause it's pussy I'm smashing and smashing. And I'ma get my true love someday. One day I'll be okay, but right now I'm really not. This shit is all I really got, is the fucking music that I let it go in the flow. I do it fast, I do it slow, I let you know how I really feel when I let the blood spill from my flesh. Just wanna let you go, I let you know, bitch, you were a hoe. You did the big no-no when you cheated on me. What the fuck, I thought we were meant to be, I thought I made you happy. What happened? You couldn't be honest with me, honestly. I never caused harm to thee, but now I wanna really cause harm to thee. All these bitches that come next, all it is like fucking sex. But I got this shit collected, I'm like a fucking porn star. I'm so vigorous with the stamina, they call me White Stallion. I got the hurricane tongue, I thought you know, are you dumb? I was number one, I was the only one that could make you come that way. And now you moved on, you thought you went to greener grass. But now I sit back and laugh, cause that was your ass that made the big mistake. You thought I was fake, I don't give a fuck, look what I took. I took true form. Now you gotta conform, you gotta be honest. You gotta acknowledge what you let up, you gave up, you were fucked up. Cause you fucked up when you fucked up and you fucked me over. Bitch, I should've ran you over. In the eyes of my beholder, I know ya gotta be colder, colder than me. Cause you're not holding me, you're holding me back. When you make me act like a maniac and snap these niggas' backs when they fucking come talking crap, cause they don't know how to act when they put their hands on these girls. It makes me go fucking sick and I wanna just take all the bits, not the life. Cause that shit isn't right. The girls aren't on our level, you wanna fuck with someone, fuck with me. I'll fuck you up, G, cause I'm really fucked up, you see. You ain't nothing to me. You're a punk-ass pansy bitch. You need a switch, you need to become something real. Come on, nigga, what you wanna try to kill? Kill me? Nigga, you're elementary. I'm a fucking high school or college level. I don't give a fuck, but I'm a rebel. I never will graduate because I'm always learning. I got the soul burning as I channel my third eye. Yeah, I'm that smart guy that can. I got the talent, got the skill, cause I can dream. I got the fantasy to change reality and animate it. You see, I'm drawing everything with my thoughts. When I give it all I got, yeah, I got really hot. It's sub-zero freeze. It's so hot, it's cold. I don't know how to control. I'm not nice, but I'm real nice. I'm that guy. I'm just that guy. The guy. Why? Why not? Give it all I got. One day, maybe I will achieve true victory when I'm on this level C. And now I'm here, looking down. I'm like, oh my God now. How do I control this? When I'm on a whole different level, I feel it flowing through my flesh and my skin and my veins and my bones. Ascension.